Hey, how's it going? Today I'll show you how to get one of the best live sports and live TV apps to your Fire Stick. The whole process is super easy and will take you only a couple of minutes. And the very first step is you need to get the app called Downloader to your Fire Stick. You can get Downloader from your official Amazon App Store. To do that, open search and start typing Downloader in here. And as you can see, Downloader has already popped out for us at the bottom. Just click on it, and here is that orange application, which you need to get. But after you got Downloader, it's not over yet, because you still need to set it up. So to do that, we have to go to Settings, by clicking that button with a gear icon, then scroll down and open My Fire TV. And from here, you'll have to turn on the developer options. However, on some Fire Sticks, and especially on the new Amazon Fire Stick devices, the developer options might be hidden by default. So if that's the case, and you cannot find developer options anywhere, then no need to worry, because it's really easy to make them appear. Just go to About, select Fire TV Stick, and now you have to start clicking on the middle button on your remote. And do it fast, so let's do it. And as you can see, now for me at the bottom, it says no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case. And in your case, it will say that you have become a developer now. So when you go back a bit, you will finally see developer options. Open them, make sure to turn on the ADB debugging, then go to install unknown apps, and from here all you have to do is just locate Downloader and turn this option on. So what it does, it's gonna allow you to install other applications from the internet, and not necessarily only those apps which are only available in your official Amazon App Store by default. And that's exactly what we'll do right now. So now we just go back to a list of apps on Fire Stick. Here it is. Let's open it. And there is Downloader, which we just got. However, before actually using Downloader, there is one more thing, which I always recommend doing. And it's of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN. Because they're super fast, they got a great app for Fire Sticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device you may use. And they are not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a couple of bucks per month, which is a great pricing for us, the users. All you have to do in a VPN app is just connect to any server. Let's say I will connect to Denmark right now. And from the moment you connect, all your traffic will be totally encrypted. It means that no one can track you or snoop on you online. And that's really important if you want to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, then I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in a pinned comment below this video, or in a description of this video, you will get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Fire Stick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser, and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on the screen right now, with a camera of your phone. It works the same way, and it's also going to give you the same deal for Nord. And now, finally, let's use Downloader safely. So we go back to a list of apps on your device. Here it is, let's open it together. And it's time to start using the Downloader now. Here, just go to search bar, and now we need to enter a code to download the app. And the code is going to be 9096336. So again, 9096336. That's the code you have to enter. Then just click on go, and while it's loading, make sure to subscribe my channel, so you would get even more content about Fire Sticks. And now the download of the app has started. Usually it does not take long, but of course it all depends on your connection speed. Then just click install and wait a bit until the installation process is fully finished. After that, Do not click open yet. Instead, it's better to press done because this way you get an option to delete the installation files as you don't really need them anymore on your Fire Stick. So just click on delete and then delete once again. This way you will be able to save yourself some free space on your Fire Stick. And then when you go back to a list of apps on your device, here it is, open it, and now there at the bottom you will find this new app. So now, first of all, I would recommend you to click on the options button on your remote. That's the button with three horizontal lines, right next to the home button on your remote. Click on it and then press on move to front. This way, the app will always be at the very top of your application list, and therefore, it will be way easier for you to access the app every time you need it. Just don't forget to keep the VPN connected to stay safe and out of trouble online. And once again, you can use a link below this video to get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free. Then you can finally open this new app. And in here I had to blur out my screen because of YouTube rules, but in your case obviously it's not gonna be blurred. And you can use this app to access loads of live TV channels as well as live sports events. So enjoy it all and see you next time. Bye bye.